the CAC is how much are you spending to acquire one client. Okay, so last week we talked about the top 5 metrics that you should be looking for your business. The top 5 metrics that you need to measure for your business success. Now, one of those metrics was CAC, that is the cost per client acquisition, basically. Now, a lot of people mistake that for cost per lead. Now, just to clear that out, the cost per lead is the cost of how much are you willing to spend to actually capture that client email or phone number. Now, the CAC is how much are you spending to acquire one client. Now, it's extremely important for you to know your cost per acquisition for the client because it allows you to have a better understanding of your marketing budget and have a better understanding of how much you actually need to spend to get a client. And more than that, allows you to have a closer look on your business financial health. Now, how do you measure the CAC? To measure the CAC, you literally need to measure almost, if not everything of your marketing campaign. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 formulas on how you can measure your CAC. But if you want to click down below, I have a more in-depth blog post on how you can actually use that formula, and to make it easier for you, I have a spreadsheet that you can just go there and then put your costs and make it easier for you. Now, here's the thing. When it's a small company, when it's a small business, it's much easier to measure the CAC because it's much easier to keep track of everything that you do. Now, hear me out. You need to measure and to take notes about literally everything that you do in your marketing campaign. So here are the cost breakdown that you need to have. I'm going to put the list here as well so you can follow along. Let me just move on to the side. Now, the first thing that you need to have is your ad cost. Yes. How much are you spending on your ad? Now, the second thing is the cost for your rich content. And for rich content, I mean your ad copy, your creative, your lead magnet, and your sales funnel. Now, the third one is how much are you spending in your email marketing software? How much are you spending to actually send those emails for your prospects? Fourth one is how much are you spending on nurturing your lead? And that covers also the resources for your team. In case that you pay your team per hour, how much it costs you for them to produce the content that will nurture your prospect or your lead in that case. Now, number 5 is how many hours are you actually spending on meetings to get that marketing campaign ongoing. Now, the 6th one is the cost to call your lead or to go to a meeting with your lead in case of being a local business. And the last one is how much are you spending to actually go to events and conferences to network and get more clients. Now, this is a lot to take care of. So I'm going to break down on the most important ones and how you can actually start measuring that this month. Now, there are 2 formulas that you need to understand, and for that we need to use this here. Now, you need to know your CAC equals your MCC divided by your CA. Now, CAC, like I said, is your cost per acquisition. Now, the MCC is the total cost of your campaign, and that includes online and offline campaigns. Now, your CA is your total customers acquired. Like from that marketing campaign, how many clients did you acquire? And from there, you can have your CAC. On a more in-depth formula, there is a few other things that you need to take in consideration. And that formula is, I'm going to put it here. Okay, so that's the formula. Now, let me explain. Your CAC in this case, your cost per acquisition in this case, it continues to be your MCC, that is your total cost per ad, plus your wages on how much you actually paid for someone to set up that campaign, how much you are paying someone, and especially if it's someone on your team, how much you are paying him to actually run that campaign and to produce the marketing. Now, your S is the cost for every software tool that you use it for your marketing. For example, your e-commerce, your email marketing campaign, your A/B testing and analyzing of the campaign, everything you put in your S. Now, your PS is any additional service for your marketing. For example, a consultant, a designer, anything goes in your PS. O is other overheads related to your marketing or your sales. And CA, you already know, is your acquired customers. Now, that formula will give you your CA. Now, one quick way of you actually optimizing your CA is by improving your on-site conversion. That's one of the points. Having a better messaging of your product or of your service. Check the targeting of your campaign to make sure that it's the most relevant to your audience, to your persona. And you should also always check your client lifetime value. That is extremely important. Now, three things that you need to have in mind is first is your cost per visit by channel. The second one is your cost value, your cost purchase value by channel. Now, the last one is the average number of customer converted by channel. Now, one thing that you need to have in mind is you can afford to pay a high CAC if the customer lifetime value is higher as well. Now, if you want to learn more on how you can increase your on-site conversion, on how you can have a better messaging and have a better targeting, or if you want to learn how to create how to measure your client lifetime value, then you should subscribe to the channel, because I'm putting content every single day on digital marketing and literally trying to improve every business owner life. Going through a lot of things that I had to learn and trying to simplify as much as I can, and actually giving you PDF files and spreadsheets that you can just download them, and makes everything much easier. So comment down below if you want me to make a video on how to increase on-site conversion, messaging, how to create a killer creative for your ads, or if you want me to simply teach you how to see your customer lifetime value. And that's it for today's video. My name is Carlos Arthur, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye.